Oh, this is a little stuffed animal come to life. Can you do tricks? Can you go down? Can you sit? Can you stand? Can you go under and go through? Okay. Can you shake? Can you wave? What a good wave. Here you go. Can you weave? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go sideways. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Can you choose? I've got one in this hand and one in this hand. Ooh, which one is it? Okay. Choose. What a smart dog. Okay, can you go get around, go through, okay, stay, okay, come, and then under, and then spin, and then down and rest. Take a rest. That'll do. Okay. Then you'll go stay, come, down, sit, get around. Oh, that's going to be a good treat, yes. But it'll be on your nose. That'll do. Augie, heel. Yes. Heel. What a good heel. Heel. Stay, go through, get around. Okay, Augie, take a bow. Yay, Augie. And now you take a big rest. Okay, here's Augie resting. Yay, Augie.